Alright class, now we are going to chapter 4, concepts of probability. Look at introduction. Probability is the likelihood or chance that a particular event will occur. In addition to being used in games of chance, probability is used in the field of investment and weather forecasting and in various other fields. Okay, there are 5 basic terms. 5 basic terms in sample space and events. Look at the first one, experiment. Any process of observation or measurement that generates data. Okay, for example, flipping a coin and tossing a die. Okay, this is experiment yang kita nak buat. Okay, first experiment, when we flipping a coin. Okay, and then second one, when we tossing a die. Okay, die apa? Die ni dadu Okay, die is singular, dice plural. Okay, and then second, outcomes dia, the result obtained from an experiment. Okay, the result obtained from an experiment. So the outcomes when we flipping a coin. Okay, when we flipping a coin, apa yang keluar? Head and tail. Okay, when we flipping a coin, yang keluar adalah sama ada dia head ataupun tail. So this is outcomes dia. When we tossing a die, okay, what is the outcomes dia? Apa result yang keluar? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is outcomes dia. Okay. And then number 3, sample space, the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Okay, number 3 ni, it is represented by the symbol S. That means sample space, when we flipping a coin, what is the sample space? Dia punya outcomes from the experiment dia. Okay, with symbol S, sample space with symbol S. And then, dia punya outcomes dia adalah head, tail. Okay, must be in curly bracket. Okay, this is sample space dia. Okay, when we tossing a die, what is the sample space dia? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, curly bracket. Okay, so this is sample space dia. Okay, and then look at number 4, a subset of a sample space. Okay, an event ni, a subset of a sample space. Example, getting even number when rolling a die. Okay, event ni that means based on question given. Okay, berdasarkan apa yang soalan minta. Okay, so kita let kan. Okay, kalau tengok pada example tu, getting even number when rolling a die. Okay, so kita let kan A, getting even number. Okay, so what is the element for set A? Set A ni getting even number. So what is the element in set A? Kalau from the sample space dia. So 2, 4, 6. So the element for set A getting even number is 2, 4 and 6. Okay, kita based on sample space, the outcomes dia. Okay, so that is number 4. Number 5, element. Okay, each outcome in a sample space. Okay, each outcome in the sample space. So we know that this is sample space. Okay, this is sample space. Okay, this is sample space. Okay, and then this one the outcomes dia. Okay, yang saya bulat ni outcomes dia. Okay, outcomes. Boleh nampak Okay. And then, yang number 5 maksud element. Okay, number 5 ni element ni, each outcome in a sample space. That means yang ni lah. Ni element dia. Okay, element. Element in a sample space. Okay, boleh faham 5 basic terms ni. Alright. Okay, yang number 4 tu kalau awak kurang faham tu, yang event tu. Okay, let's say kalau dia minta getting odd number. So kita letkan B. Letkan B. Okay, getting odd number. Ni based on question given. Okay, berdasarkan soalan minta. So, what is the element in set B from the sample space? 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Ada macam tu. Okay, you faham dah setakat ni? And then, so look at example 1. Okay. Alright, example 1. Kalau tengok situ, nampak dah? Okay, suppose a die is rolled once and after that a coin is flipped. Okay, that is the experiments dia. Suppose a die is rolled once. So when we tossing a die, so the outcomes yang nak keluar apa dia? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, when we tossing a die. And then, after that, a coin is flipped. Okay, selepas kita dah roll a die, a coin is flipped. Okay, so, when a coin is flipped, what is the outcomes dia? Head, tail. Head, tail. Okay, for each element from when we rolling a die tu. Head, tail. Okay. So, and then, soalan minta write the sample space. Okay, write the sample space. Okay, sample space dia. Okay, sample space, that means the outcomes dia. The outcomes dia. 1, hit. Dah nampak lah? 1, hit. 1, tail. And then 2, hit. 2, tail. Okay, 3, hit. 3, tail, and so on. Okay, but bila soalan minta write the sample space, so you have to write with symbol S in curly bracket. 1 head, 1 tail, 2 head, 2 tail, 3 head, 3 tail, 4 head, 4 tail, 5 head, 5 tail, 6 head and 6 tail. This is the answer. Okay, sample space. Soalan minta sample space. Okay, dah faham dah? For example 1. Look at example 2. Okay. Example 2. Okay, consider an experiment of flipping a coin. Okay, so the experiments dia flipping a coin. So kita buat the outcomes dia when we flipping a coin. Apa yang outcomes dia keluar? Head and tail. Okay, and then baca lagi soalan dia. If a head occur, the coin is flipped again. If a head occur, the coin is flipped again. So when we get head, if a head occur, bila kita dapat head, a coin is flipped again. So the outcomes yang keluar, head and tail also. Okay, and then if a tail occur, then a die is tossed 1. Okay, bila kita dapat tail, if a tail occurs, then a die is tossed once. So bila kita dapat tail, a die is tossed 1. That means outcomes for a die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Ni macam tu. Okay, and then soalan minta apa? List the elements of the sample space of the experiment. So sample space dia apa? Sample space is from the outcomes dia lah. Head, head. Head, tail. Okay, and then tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. Okay, so this is the answer. Element dia. Alright, for example 2. And then look at the next page. Okay, the next page. Okay, events. In many problems of probability, we are interested in events that are actually the combinations of two or more events. Okay, sample space and events, particularly relationship among events, are often depicted by means of Venn diagrams. Okay, the third one tu, union of two events. Okay, union of the two events A union B. Okay, union ni we known as OR. Okay, is the subset of S that contains all the elements that are either in A, in B or in both. That means dalam first petak tu, first kotak tu. Okay, first kotak tu. So A union B. Okay, let's say this is set A, this is set B. Okay. When A union B, that means the elements either in A, in B or in both. That means keseluruhan A union B. Itu yang dia nak. Okay. And then next, the intersection. Okay. The intersection of two events A intersect B. So when we talk about intersection, we known as N. Okay, then, okay, is the subset of S that contains all the elements that are in both A and B. That means, pada kotak yang second tu, okay, kotak yang second tu, let's say this is set A, set B. So, when A intersect B, the elements are in both A and B. Both A and B, that means yang kat tengah ni. Element dia. Okay, when A intersect B. Alright. And then, next one. The complement of A. Complement of A, which is A prime. Okay, is the subset of S that contains all the elements of S that are not in A. Okay, complement of A tu. Okay, let's say ni petak yang ketiga. Okay, this is set A. Okay. Bila soalan tanya A prime ataupun complement of A, that means elements of S that are not in A. Okay, element that are not in A, that means kat luar dia. Okay, tak nak dalam A. Okay, A prime ni that means element outside from the set A. Okay, yang tu yang dia nak. Okay. And then next, mutually exclusive. Okay, we call it as disjoint. Okay, the two events have no elements in common, or the two events cannot both occur. When A and B are mutually exclusive, then A intersect B equal empty set. Okay, yang bulat ni equal empty set. It is denotes the empty set which has no elements at all. Okay, that means yang petak yang kat bawah tu. Okay, let's say this is set A, this is set B. Okay, so A intersect B is equal empty set. That means there are no elements with these two elements. Okay, there are no elements with these two sets. Sorry. Okay, maksudnya we call it as mutually exclusive. Depa disjoint. Okay, set A and set B ni disjoint. So the two events have no elements. We call it as empty set. Okay. And then last one, A is a subset of B when A is contained in B. Okay, last petak tu. Okay, A subset B. Okay, yang mana yang duduk dalam ni? When we say that A subset B, that means A contained in B. That means A kat dalam, B kat luar. Macam tu. Alright. A subset B. A duduk kat dalam, B duduk kat luar. Alright. Dah faham dah setakat ni? Okay, kalau tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp. Okay. And then, so please try, okay, do exercise number 1 and number 2. Okay, cuba buat and then nanti kita akan discuss. Alright.